February 1939.
The noise of London has been one of the few drawbacks in travel by the Underground Railway system, of which the Cockney is so justly proud. Now experiments have proved successful with asbestos padding, which is going to be attached alongside the track throughout the tunnelling. Another factor in the new silent technique is the welding of the line, which will reduce noise by 40% and produce an endless rail.
Hello. It's all right, the elephant. No, sir, you want the zoo for that?
We'll go for a demonstration run, first over an untreated part of the line. And now over the experimental silent section. Of course, passengers who are apt to rely on the noise of the tube for the privacy of their more important conversations will have to be careful that the train is not about to run into a silent area.
I love you. I love you.